When we were at Luang Prabang, Laos, this barbecue chicken literally changed my life. It is massive, dripping with juice. The flavor is out of this world. The best thing is, it is damn cheap. We will show you where to get this so that you can have the same life-changing experience like I did. When it comes to food, Luang Prabang did not disappoint. We enjoy our morning walk at the market. It is really interesting that the vendors set up their stalls along this side street in the middle of town every morning. By the afternoon, the vendors then pack everything up and the street will be empty. You would not know that there was a market here at all. You can get all sort of material here. In Luang Prabang, you can expect to see weird and wonderful things that you would not see back home in Melbourne. We did not have any trouble finding a place to have breakfast here at the market. We found this place at the end of the street that overlooks the Mekong River across the street. The thing that I like in Luang Prabang is many restaurants are still cooking with wood. Not sure what it is about wood cooking. The flavor seems to be much better somehow. Here, we decided to have some porridge. This porridge has fish, mushroom, pork bones, and it's really nice flavor, especially when you add mushroom to it. We rated this 4 out of 5 rice paddy hats. It complemented well with the crispy yao zha guai. When the sun sets, the main road of Luang Prabang is converted into a food center. This is where we were spoiled for choices. Seriously, we had to be strategic on what to eat so that we can enjoy as much flavors as possible. Look at all this food all around us. It seems that barbecue is very popular in Luang Prabang. They barbecue almost anything here. At the start of the night market, where the roundabout is, you will find a row of barbecue stalls on the right. You can't miss this. Your nose will guide you to this barbecue paradise. It was hard to choose, but we ended up trying this barbecue store run by this lady and her young daughter. So this is the Maryland or the leg, and so she just barbecued that. So it just came off the barbecue, and so Sarah's gonna give it a go. Ooh. And the verdict is
juicy as hell. The sauce is hot.
Yeah, told you
Like
not
spicy?
to have the sauce, didn't I?
But it's good.
Okay. Yeah. So you can see the juice is absolutely dripping off this. It's amazing. Let me have a look. Man, what a discovery. Tastes bloody amazing. Love it. It is so juicy. It is marinated, I reckon, for the whole day. It does have some that barbecue burn taste to that. And yeah, I don't really know what marinade she used, but the fact that the juice just stayed on the actual chicken itself, and every bite is like, you know, party in my mouth. It's just so good. Oh man, I just do not want it to end. I have to say that chicken absolutely rates. Like, you know, I would say it's about 4.5 out of 5 rice patty hats right there. and cooked by my mom, looked after by a little girl. I reckon she's probably like, 9 years old or something, and already know how to count really well. And yeah, so it's a great meal. You can find this store literally at the start of the night market street and the main street in the Luang Prabang main street. So yeah, great store. After the awesome life-changing experience with the barbecue chicken, we decided to try the fried pork spring roll. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a go. The content is great. The cover is not as crispy as I would like. She grilled it twice, but generally the flavor is pretty good. So what we have,
That's why you eat it with your fingers and not with pork.
what we have is some carrot, some glass noodles, pork mince, and yeah, that's about it. And then kind of like the wrapping. Flavor is pretty good. I like the flavor. To balance out the meal, we decided to try the BBQ pork. This is the pork barbecue. Slightly chewy, but the marination is actually quite good. I do prefer the chicken. I think it's pretty good as well. It's pretty cool. The best way to finish a meal is to have some dessert. Sarah found this store near the start of the night market. Sarah is still very hungry, so she decided on a dessert. This is a Nutella freaking bun or some shit. Like,
It says Nutella peanut. It's like a pastry thing.
As if Nutella is not heavy enough, but peanut it as well. There we go. She hates it. Look at her face. She really hates it. Look, it looks as if there's some fiber in there. The swirl represents the fiber of the actual bread itself. So it could be viewed as healthy.
Yep.
And the
Definitely
sugar,
healthy.
everyone needs glucose in their body. Without it, you can't function. So I think there's
They have protein from the peanuts.
protein. Yeah, there's
From
some
the
protein.
peanuts.
And the sugar, if you look very closely, is only really lightly painted, really. Like it's coated really lightly. Yes. And bread, you need carbo anyway, so it's all good.